Today, I'll share the intriguing tale of how Mahadev, the god of gods, manifested as Rudra. Our journey brings us to a unique temple, the sole one worldwide where 11 Shivlings are consecrated simultaneously. Situated merely 3 kilometers from Madhubani, in the village of Mangrauni, this sacred site holds special significance. Before we dive into today's video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Upon arrival of Sri Sri 1008 Ekadash Rudra Kashi Peeth K. Shankaracharya Jayendra Saraswati, witnessing the 11 divine Shivlings occupying the same sanctified space left us awestruck. It's noteworthy that this temple stands as the singular abode globally where Shiva is venerated through 11 Shivalingas. Let's delve into the captivating history of Ekadash Rudra. In the annals of Hindu mythology, the narrative of the gods' plight and their subsequent recourse to Maharishi Kashyap for aid unfolds a compelling saga, emblematic of the eternal struggle between righteousness and malevolence. Rooted in the revered Shiva Purana, this tale elucidates the genesis of Ekadash Rudra, the 11 manifestations of Lord Shiva, and their pivotal role in restoring balance to the celestial realms. The genesis of this saga lies in the celestial domain, where the defeated gods, aggrieved by their loss at the hands of their demon brethren, sought solace from their father, Maharishi Kashyap. As the celestial patriarch, Kashyap bore witness to the anguish of his progeny, torn asunder by fraternal strife. The gods, despondent and bereft of their rightful dominion, implored Kashyap for succor, beseeching him to redress their grievances. Faced with the dilemma of reconciling his paternal duties with the cosmic order, Maharishi Kashyap embarked on a sacred pilgrimage to Varanasi, the abode of Lord Shiva. There, amidst the sanctified environs, he invoked the divine presence of Uma Maheshwar through fervent worship and supplication. In his unwavering devotion, Kashyap beseeched Lord Vishwanath, the presiding deity of Varanasi, to intercede on behalf of the aggrieved gods and alleviate their suffering. Responding to Kashyap's entreaties, Lord Vishwanath conferred his divine benediction, promising to manifest in the form of Ekadash Rudra to champion the cause of righteousness. Thus, empowered by the divine assurance, Maharishi Kashyap returned to the celestial realm, buoyed by the promise of divine intervention. True to his word, Lord Shiva, in his 11 manifestations as Kapali, Pingal, Bhima, Virupaksha, Vilohit, Shasta, Ajwain, Shambhu, Chand, and Bhava, descended upon the celestial plane. These embodiments of divine wrath, collectively known as Ekadash Rudra, epitomize the ferocity and potency of the primordial forces, poised to vanquish the forces of darkness and restore equilibrium to the cosmos. Guided by the indomitable spirit of righteousness and fueled by the divine fervor of their patron deity, the gods rallied under the banner of Ekadash Rudra. United in purpose and fortified by unwavering resolve, they confronted their demon adversaries with renewed vigor and unyielding determination. In the crucible of battle, Ekadash Rudra unleashed their formidable might, laying waste to the ranks of the malevolent forces and heralding the dawn of celestial supremacy. Through their valorous exploits and divine intervention, they vanquished the demons, restoring order and harmony to the celestial realm. The tale of Ekadash Rudra stands as a testament to the enduring power of righteousness and the unwavering resolve of those who champion the cause of truth. Rooted in the rich tapestry of Hindu mythology, it serves as a timeless reminder of the eternal struggle between good and evil and the triumph of virtue over vice. As we reflect upon this timeless saga, let us draw inspiration from the indomitable spirit of Ekadash Rudra and strive to emulate their unwavering commitment to righteousness in our own lives. For in their triumph, we find the enduring promise of divine grace and the eternal victory of light over darkness. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.